In this video I'll show you how to define an emulator that looks more like an actual device. One of the major use cases for emulators is that you can verify that your app will run on a slew of various devices. In most cases you'll have specific devices in mind. Let's have a look at an example. Have a look at the installed packages within the Android SDK and AVD Manager. And there we'll see Galaxy Tab add-on by Samsung Electronics. We can now very easily create an AVD for the Galaxy Tab by clicking on Virtual Devices, clicking on New, and selecting Galaxy Tab add-on from the Target dropdown. You can see this will be API level 8, which is Android 2.2, and it has already predefined the right resolution and the most important hardware facts. I call this Galaxy Tab. Click on Create AVD, and now it's there. It's as simple as that. Now I click on Galaxy Tab, click on Start. In this case, I will have to provide a screen size of 7.2. I'll leave the monitor DPI at 96 and click Launch. And there it is. As you can see, this emulator sports a nice skin, which in fact looks a lot like the Galaxy Tab. Let's see those two side by side. There's the Galaxy Tab, and there's the generic one. As you can see, you can run several emulators simultaneously, although it may be a little too resource heavy to have too many emulators open at the same time. And there it is. This is by far the simplest case, because we find everything we need within the available packages in the SDK and AVD Manager. You might want to take a look at the website of your preferred manufacturer. For example, for Motorola, there's motodev.com, which will guide you to developer.motorola.com. And there you can see docs and tools, add additional tools and resources, a slew of different add-ons for specific handsets, which you can install in your SDK and AVD Manager and create a new emulator, for example, based on the Motorola Xoom 10.1-inch tablet. With that under your belt, you now know how to define emulators that look like actual devices.